Hello Hot Wheels fans. So today we have Aryaman with us. Recently we have started buying lot of Hot Wheels things. So you can see lot of Hot Wheels tracks, Hot Wheels loop kicker, turn kicker, 2-lane launcher, then total turbo takeover. So we have 2 packs of that. We also have one double loop box that you see there. We also have lot of cars that we have bought recently. You can see it here. So today in this video we are like you see here, we have already unboxed them, like to see what inside. One of them is completely not so good, not in a good shape, but still we can show you what inside. So you can see there are lot many packs here. Aryaman, show the loop kicker. That's not a loop kicker. Yes, that's the loop kicker. Okay, so we are going to show you the loop kicker, which is available on Amazon and Flipkart. You can see the best prices there. Then we also have a turn kicker. So while buying tracks, I found that we need turns more to make our tracks longer. Now today we are going to compare between a turn kicker and loop kicker, so which one you should buy, and I will also show you what are the things that are inside the pack. Alright, so let's get started. Are you ready to unbox and show the Hot Wheels fans what's inside? Okay, let's open it. Okay, you get 2 beautiful tracks. Okay, you get the loop kicker and show them what's inside. You get the connector. You get 3 connectors, 1 stoppie, and what is this? Okay, so you can put it on the top. Okay, it must go here, I think. Yeah, this goes here. Yeah. All right, good. Let's get started now. Aryaman, can you fix them to make a loop kicker? Okay, Aryaman, test him. Oh, fantastic. One more time. On a mark, get set, go. Oh, it's too slow. Okay, nice.